please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Aww. So cute.
Skip. But when does this game get fucking good?
Kill that boy! Kill that boy! Kill that boy! Kill that boy! Kill him!
Do you like playing games?
Shut up! Ah!
Super chat. What soccer football team do you support?
Cristiano Ronaldo! Suey! Simple as that, bro.